Pick one up.
Let's see whose that is. Whose is it?
Tish, I almost
It's
reached
mine.
over and pet your foot there at one
This
point.
one. This one's
I was
mine.
thinking it was one of the dogs, and I'm like,
Let's see what I got.
Get buddy.
That looks awful.
I know what we're doing today.
We always do that to them.
It's
Now, see, they're
DVDs!
different. One's advanced, but one's,
Oh yeah, see.
Easy, Ella.
It's DVDs!
You ready for
Blank
this?
DVDs!
Is that your guess? Did you ask for assistance? Because it's
You
here.
need help from the professional there, Kate.
now these kind of
She's
heavy and
already
you don't want to
warmed up.
drop them.
Yeah, they're. I can't even get them out, but
You know what they are?
yeah.
DVDs.
They're blank
Aw.
DVDs.
That's bad.
Bob! Kiki!
Who
Who's
got
that one
one?
belong to?
That one's for Pop. Pop. You don't. That one's for him.
Here, Papa. For you.
Thank you.
Dad, if you stand up to run many more DVDs up, you.
Could be.
It's mine.
Oh, Gardner's is on it.
Chocolate covered pretzels.
No, that's not for me. This is Lenny, your mommy.
She threw it at me.
Ella, don't throw them, please. They might break. Don't take my seat, Bob.